Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.
Hi and welcome back. I've been hiding away the past few months, but this is some of what has been going on. And I haven't been on my own getting this. Can you guess who is a bad influence? Point him out. Name and shame. Can you guess what engine that is? Comment below. Now all I need to do is find something decent size to put it in. Maybe something with a cab for those rainy days. And here he is. I shall name him Gordon Gardner Brown. But he will need some work and that loader need to come off.
Tanky's got a YouTube channel and he'll want this on his YouTube channel. Yeah, take his place home. Get out! Get out!
His arms were down all the way. That's a throw!
Oh, give it a couple of years, that'd be, well, Tanky reckons a couple of years, I reckon 6 months.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it going to look anything like the same as it did? No.
Probably not.
No.
Best get it washed and into the workshop. Hope mine starts. Just done the diesel filter. Not started it since. Thank you. few pics of how it looked before bath time.
So what have I bought this time? Well, I've bought a 1970 David Brown 1200 series. Well, I say I bought it, actually, I tell a lie. I didn't buy it. I did a gentleman's agreement. Lovely chap down the road, he got one, well, he's got another one of these, and this had a loader on it, as you see in the picture. And he bought this as a hedgerow tractor, out of a hedge. He wanted a loader, so he just needed someone to fit the loader. So I said, I'll fit the loader, happy, and I said, well, what are you doing this? He said, well, I ain't gonna need it. So I said, well, I wouldn't mind it, because I've got an engine to go in it. This one. So, you see, we've got our work cut out. There's a lot of work to be done, but I can't see it, you know, I can see through it. I think we could do this. I've done a few calculations. Don't get me wrong, I mean, we give or take 6 inches, I reckon, but it depends on what I do on the clutch. But I reckon I'm going to make the tractor about 3 foot longer. So it should be quite a good, interesting, interesting project. So what do you think of that? I mean, she's rough around the edges, but the actual main chassis and, you know, all the gearbox and everything is all good. And obviously, we've got to do a lot of modifications to get this engine to go in. It's a big lump going in, and there's a lot of risk, but I think it's time to start getting it stripped down and see what we get out of it. So watch this space. Let's go for the strip down. Off we go. Quick little walk around just before we start. The bonnet is, you know, we've got to remake this anyway, but at least I've got the shape, so that's good. I mean, you can get these still, that's bit. You can't get, I can't seem to find any bonnets, but you can get that, so that's something. But I might even just, well, I don't know, it might be too far, I don't know. He is a bit, yeah. We'll see, we'll clean him up and see what we got left of it once he has a dip or something. Maybe fabricate it in. Cab, we're going to re-panel, we're going to make all the panels. I've got all the front glass, which is good. So we're happy, we're just going to, I think if I can keep the front end glass and I'll just use Perspex everywhere else. Make a roof. Tyres are okay, they are a little bit rotten. If the future plans go ahead, I will be end up banging a new set of 4 on. You say they look lovely, but they are just a bit rotten. Rims, yeah, they're not bad state, a bit crusty, but I could, you know, I've got a good chap down the road who will be able to sort them out for me, and I'll happily pay him to shop blast and prime them and maybe even top coat them actually. Cab, well, seat, I think we'll have a new seat. There's a few bits seized, a few little levers and whatnot. The gearbox is all free. You know, he's seized, but leveling box works. We're happy about the leveling box. Dash. If I can get a dash panel, I probably will, because he's actually looking a bit rough the other end. But yeah, we'll break it down and go from there. I've got on a new front grille. I mean, that's all original. I want to try, whatever happens, I want to try and keep that going, because that's all original. Over the other side, we've got cab glass in that side. And, yeah, good pump and stuff he can have, because not going to need it. But that's what we're left with. So sorry about that. Anyway, let's get stripping. Excited! Look what I got. So. steering box full of water. But see where they hide bolts, look, for this plate here. But I knew those bolts there kicking around. Right, carry on. Now I have heard of legends taking that panel off and fitting clutches, and I've never done one myself. I've heard these stories where people say, oh yeah, take all the top end apart and you can get to the clutch and you can change it. And I was always a bit dubious, but now I know they're talking shit, because I've done all of that and I've put a bar in and it's made up in behind here, so it won't lift out. It's actually sat inside that. So I think the next best thing really is to get the tractor split. Really, it's pretty much ready to go, apart from getting it sported. So that's my next step. I'm going to split it now. Let's see how it goes, shall we? That's going to be interesting, isn't it? To try and get yeah, it's going to be fun, I'll give you that. It's definitely going to be fun. But it's out. Well, that's pretty cool, I reckon. Definitely done it now. Right, strip this out, get the flywheel off. Get the flywheel off the other engine, get this all out, get the other engine into position. I'll put that in front of it, and then off we go. And that's how you separate them. Oh, look at all that water everywhere. Mop that up. But it got a frame out, and that engine was stuck in there. I mean, the engine's scrapped, so I'm really not worried. Gardner. There we are. Look at that little beauty. That's going to go in there with any luck. So, what happened here? Bought it off of Bus Preservation Boys. Absolutely spot on. Very knowledgeable. It was something they had. It was given to them, but it wouldn't fit in the bus because too much has got to be changed, like the bell housing and all like that. So, it was a bit useless to them. It got rebuilt in '93 by Perkins, who I believe is who bought Gardner out anyway. Yeah, what can I say? So if you want to see this, like and subscribe. See this progress.
so it's time for a pint and some roast dinner. This is the end of part 1. The machinist has the flywheels for machining and the engine fairies have put the engine next to the tractor. We will resume with part 2 when I have the flywheels back as we attempt to make a custom bell housing for the clutch. Until then, stay safe and get to the workshop to build or restore your dreams. Please subscribe if you wish to see more on this David Brown build. If you wish to speak to me, drop me a message in the comments and I'll get back to you. From me at Tanky Towers. Good night and thank you.
Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.